How perfect a sanctuary is to get millions of likes from thousands of extranets. It sits between 4 large natural trees. The whole house was built without any fixed materials, but stronger than most houses. Hurry up and get your phone with about 70% battery, and put your right foot on your left foot. Come with me to see how Lao Ding did it. Recently, Lao Ding brushes curry every day to follow the drama video. It made his building genes restless, so I decided to go camping for a few days. The first step is to find a suitable place to live. After selecting a spacious location, inventory all your tools immediately. Then I went to the empty roof not far away to collect many fallen trees. There are often violent storms in virgin forests. So many big trees don't live for a few years. Those that died of natural causes can be used as building materials for new homes. Lao Ding spent a day, successfully collected the pile in front of you. This size and length make people feel very comfortable. Before you get too tired, he was also finding time to collect nearby gravel and the fine red soil of the forest. Just add water and stir well. You can get the wild version of the adhesive. This first harvest of material, he chose to start with the 10-piece stacking fireplace. After all, the temperature difference between day and night in the forest is very large. Fire is the heart of a house. Lao Ding only relies on a pair of skillful hands and 2.5 years of field experience. The final product is completely as good as the engineering team. You can see that the exhaust pipe is collapsed thick and high. The goal is to reduce the intracranial space, so it aggregates more heat. Just looking at the size, it feels that the smoke exhaust is very good, and it looks like a work of art. After solving the heating problem, Lao Ding is about to start building the wall. Here, he's using a slightly different approach. He starts by simply building the entrance and exit frame. Then you jam the processed wood between the tree trunks to form a perfect wall. Under Lao Ding's tireless work, soon all 3 walls were covered with logs for horses. And before building the front wall, considering the cramped interior space, so he decided to make the bed ahead of time. The process is easy. Just lay the sticks flat on it and it will take shape. Although it looks a little rudimentary, but at least you can give yourself a space away from the moisture. After a simple break, he went on stirring up lots of clay, matched with the remaining stones from before. Start building up the front wall little by little. There's no way the side has to withstand beasts and strong winds. Stones are stronger than logs, but for better indoor lighting, naturally, windows are indispensable. Every gap is tightly filled by him. Even a mosquito can't get in. When he finally did the right part as well, even if the outer wall of the shelter is completely completed, the remaining logs for the roof are much smaller. After all, I don't sleep on it, as long as I don't get crushed by stagnant water and fallen leaves. The silver waterproof part is a little conspicuous. It doesn't fit in. For this reason, Lao Ding also went not far to find Taiwan Shan. Be patient and disguise the surface. After his simple operation, it looks instantly natural, and it's midnight. Although the wooden house has no door at this time, but it can already shelter Lao Ding from the wind and rain. Not to mention that this fireplace burns very well. There's no smoke coming in. He first made himself a cup of strong tea. Let your tired body be replenished. After waiting for only charcoal left in the campfire, then put the onions, potatoes, and marinated steak in and fry. Just wait 30 minutes. A nutritious wilderness meal is ready. Just looking at the appearance makes people drool. Ding is also very giving of noodles. After eating it all, he lies down and gets ready to rest. Insecure people will probably be scared out of sleep when they see this door. Fortunately, Lao Ding has been camping in the wild for many years. This little scene doesn't panic at all. The next day, he was awakened by the chirping of birds in the forest. Lao Ding slept soundly yesterday, but it's just a night of dealing with mosquitoes. So today, it is urgent to make the gate. He first uses the roll that comes with the hand drill to strike a circle on the wood, then polish the burr again. Form a connected loss. The other part of the door frame is carved with bamboo shoot eyes. Just do more of the same. After being spliced together, it is a solid wood door. It can only be said that Lao Ding's eyes are like a ruler. It's a complete fit. And the sturdy storage is enough. Now, he can finally breathe a sigh of relief. Don't worry about being attacked by beasts again, because it took him all day to make this door. I don't have time to cook a big dinner. I can only make do with some leftovers today. He cut yesterday's potatoes into small pieces, then put it in a pot and heat it up. Then punch a few eggs into it. Make a filling potato and egg batter. The remaining charcoal cannot be wasted naturally. Put in the beef you brought yesterday and the unfinished bread. The standard of living is akin to a wilderness vacation. This cabin is only for temporary living, so it's not very big and beautiful, but it has a fireplace and a bed. Enough for him to rest for a while.